Now we're at awareness. This is where we're going to start getting Wall Street Trading Academy in front of people who don't know the brand yet. We selected 5 starting topics. Stock market for beginners. How does stock trading work? How to read candlestick charts. How to read stock charts. And day trading for beginners. These aren't random. They're connected to the keyword research we just completed. Now, here's how we're going to maximize each topic. Instead of creating one piece of content and stopping there, we're going to create a complementary YouTube video and blog article. Why YouTube? Because when people want to learn how to do something for free, YouTube is one of the first places many of them go. And the blog gives us another searchable educational asset on our own website. One topic can feed multiple channels. But here's the most important part. I don't want someone to watch the video and disappear. I don't want someone to read the article and disappear. We need a next step. So our content needs a CTA, and our CTA is not going to immediately be buy my course. We're going to offer them something useful for free. And that's what we're creating next.